In this video, we'll be talking about the highest jobs you can learn without having a college degree. Number 5 is becoming a self-employed owner-operator truck driver, and they make an average of $96 an hour, and all you need is to have a commercial driver's license or a CDL and your own truck. Number 4 is becoming a social media manager, and they make between $47 and $60 an hour, and their job is to create and maintain a positive social media presence for a brand or a company using different social media platforms and strategies. Some responsibilities they have include increasing followers and audience engagement, creating a strategy for content ideas, analyzing data, scheduling and posting content, and responding to people's comments. And if you want to become a social media manager, you can start by taking a free course on HubSpot called Social Media Marketing. Then you should create a portfolio so companies can see your work and hire you. And try creating 1 to 2 social media accounts and grow them from scratch. And this is in order to build your following. Number 3 is becoming a programmer, and you can make from $36 to $51 an hour. And if you want to become a programmer, you can start with taking a coding bootcamp to develop your skills. And this course takes from 3 to 6 months to complete, depending if you're going part-time or full-time. Then you should start building your portfolio and improve your skills with experience, certifications, and internships. Number 2, becoming an entrepreneur. And you can start an e-commerce store with only $100, and we have a separate video explaining how you can do that. You just need to be patient to see consistent results. And just so you know, this route isn't easy, but it's very rewarding over time. You can become your own boss and achieve financial freedom in the long run. Number 1 is becoming a video editor, and they can make between $30 and $51 an hour. And you can learn how to edit videos by watching YouTube tutorials and free courses on Udemy. You can then sell your video editing skills on Fiverr and Upwork. And people are charging from $15 to more than $200 per video, and this depends on the length of the video.